Sagittarius, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for February 2026. General reading, pwede kayo makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. And another reminder, hindi po ako unang magme-message sa inyo or magpo-follow para mag-offer ng services. Mag-ingat sa mga fakers, mga fake accounts, okay? So, Sag, let's see. What is the energy ngayong February para sa inyo? Co-creation. Oh, meron kayong collaboration. Working with others. You will be open to networking. Maari ring merong mentorship. So, it's either ikaw ang magpapa-mentor sa iba or other person will, you will have to mentor other person or another person. Meron ditong teacher-student energy. So, you can be the student or you can be the teacher. So, you will both learn from this experience. Okay. What else? You have imagination. Uy. Alam nyo, meron kayong mga pangarap sa buhay, mga gusto nyo ma-achieve na ngayon, you are finally taking action doon sa pangarap na yon, na hindi mo na lang siya iniisip, hindi mo na lang siya dine-daydream. You're finally taking action. Maaring ikaw ay naghahanap ng mga taong makakatulong sa'yo, someone who will give you guidance, help you with the resources na kailangan mo for that idea. Okay? So, kumbaga, your dreams are finally happening because you are finally taking that step, that action. Peace. This is about having the peace of mind. So, ngayong February, you will feel at peace. Ibig sabihin nito, maaring meron kang certain focus about something. Na, di ba kapag marami tayong iniisip, ang gulo ng utak natin. Kasi iba't iba yung pinupuntahan ng isip natin. So, I see you na you are going to focus on something that matters to you. Something na talagang malapit sa puso mo. Which is yung desires mo. What you desire. What you really want. So, ito yung realization mo na, okay, I have to do this. Pwedeng, ito yung tipong kahit na kailangan mong gawin to mag-isa, gagawin mo. And if kailangan mo naman ng taong tutulong sa'yo, merong tutulong sa'yo. All you need to do is to ask. Ask for help. Walang masama na humingi ng tulong. Okay? Kasi paano naman tayo magbibigay ng tulong kung hindi naman natin alam na itong taong to ay kailangan pala ng tulong. So, ito yung time na yung pride mo isi-set aside mo para sa pangarap mo. Okay? Dito magkakaalaman kung gaano mo kagusto na ma-achieve yung mga goals mo. Because you know what? Ang pride kasi natin, this can be, parang pwede itong makabuti sa atin, pwedeng hindi. Makabuti, it's about, having that confidence that we need na, we are this person. But the pride can also somehow prevents us or limit us sa mga potentials pa natin. Pride means like, yung iba nahihiya na, baka masira matapakan yung pride mo if you're going to do this. Kapag hihingi ka ng pabor sa iba, na baka isipin ng tao, ay, ang hina ko naman, humihingi ako ng pabor sa iba. So, sometimes, yun yung pumipigil sa atin to grow. Kasi we are here to co-create. We are here to, share our knowledge, to share our ideas, ourselves to others. 'Di ba? So, yun yung energy for you ngayong February. And this is going to bring you peace of mind kasi ma-realize mo na, ay, may nangyayari sa buhay ko. Ay, meron ng progress. Ganun. Okay? Let's see your overall energy. The Seven of Pentacles. Sometimes, you become, parang, nasa na yung resulta, akin na. You need to be patient. Okay? You need to wait. This is about self-control. Meron kang mga goals, gusto mo mangyari na agad, walang ganun. You really need to work hard. And at the same time, you have to be patient. Kasi lahat yan, meron niyang tamang oras, tamang panahon. Ang maganda rito is nakikita mo na. Nakikita mo na siya. Na para ka nagtanim ng, ng buto, ng punla. O nakita mo umusbong na siya. So, ano ba yung dapat mong gawin? Para magpatuloy ang pag-usbong niyan, diligan mo. Alagaan mo. 'Di ba? Bigyan mo ng atensyon. Protektahan mo. So, para siyang pangarap mo na itinanim mo. Nagsimula ka eh. Wala naman nagsisimula na successful na agad. Walang ganun. Scam yun. So, it has to grow. Now, yung growth na yon, okay, nakikita mo na siya. Pero, hindi ka pa pwedeng mag-demand na, huy, nasan na yung bunga? Akin na yung bunga. Hindi pwede. Mape-pressure yun. At hindi talaga nun kayang gawin or ibigay sa'yo yung bunga kasi wala pang tamang panahon kahit magtatumbling ka dyan. So, this is the time for you to control yourself. Na, patience is a virtue. Okay? Merong potential for success if you are patient. Now, your challenge. What is the challenge? The Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups is like a proposal or like an offering sa'yo. So, as a challenge, hindi lahat na nag-offer sa'yo ay mabuti or makakabuti para sa'yo. Okay? This is the time na kailangan mong i-filter yung mga opportunities na dumadating sa'yo because they are not opportunities talaga. Like, you may see it as an opportunity, but actually it's a distraction. Okay? Like, distraction siya. Ibig sabihin, mawawala ka sa focus mo kapag in-entertain mo tong opportunity na to. So, this is the time rin para alamin mo kung ano talaga yung gusto mo. Kasi once you're locked into what you really want, you cannot be distracted. Okay? So, your opportunity. Four of Cups. Oh, ito na. Diba? Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na hindi porket may nag-o-offer sa'yo, it means it's good for you. Sa perspective nila, this is your value. But sa perspective mo, hindi ko value yan. Gets mo? So, for example, ayoko na magbigay ng example, but, you know, yung value kasi ng isang bagay, depende yan sa tumitingin. Okay? So, kailangan pareho kayo ng values. So, itong taong to, example, ito yung value mo, offer ko sa'yo. Pero, hindi ko value yan, masyado mababa yan, mataas ang value ko. Pero ang tingin niya, ito lang yung value mo. So, the message here is, wag mong kunin yung alam mong hindi valuable sa'yo. Na walang maibibigay na value, will not add value to your life. Because that is going to be a distraction sa'yo. Okay? Yan yung gugulo lang sa mga plano mo. If it's not helpful, if it's not aligning to your goals, your dreams, your energy, wag mo nang pansinin. Okay? So that's your opportunity. You will be able to filter yung mga unnecessary para sa growth mo, para sa goals mo. Now, your blessing, the moon. Oh my God. As a blessing, ang moon is about your intuition, your instinct. Alam mo agad if something is not good for you. So, mas magiging malakas yung pakiramdam mo, yung sensitivity mo. And ngayong February, ito yung time na magtiwala ka sa instinct mo. Kasi that is your higher self talking to you na, huy, Sagittarius, hindi yan para sa'yo, hindi yan makakabuti. Alam mo yun? So, yung hunch, yung instinct, yan yung blessing mo. You will also have these prophetic dreams. May mga signs na ipapakita sa'yo na ikaw lang yung makakaintindi. Kasi yun yung nangyayari sa buhay mo eh. So yung signs na yun, pag nakita mo, oh my God, hindi talaga ito para sa akin. For example, you are about to meet someone. Meron kang kailangang, may meeting ka. You're going to meet someone. Like may offer siya or whatever. Tapos biglang, imi-meet mo na siya. Something happened. Something came up. You can't be there. Or, nandun ka na sa meeting place and this person didn't show up. So, don't take it personally. Okay? Isipin mo na nangyari yon or hindi yon nangyari. It is for your highest good. Okay? It's a protection. So, you don't have to stress yourself, ay, bakit ganun? Just, okay, hindi, nag-progress, edi, it's not for me. Ganon. Basic. Okay, this is your focus. The 7 of Cups. See? You see the instinct there, your choices there, the passion. So, it means na, yung mga distractions mo, malalaman mo na yan. Or, magiging aware ka na dyan. Kasi sometimes we're not aware of the distractions around us. 'Di ba? Na hindi natin alam, so distraction pala yun. Yun pala yung pumipigil sa atin sa pag-unlad. Example na lang, hindi naman para sa lahat, but example, yung jowa mo, hindi supportive sa ginagawa mo. And this person is sabotaging your success. Distraction yun. Ibig sabihin, pinipigilan niya yung pag-unlad mo. Hanggat nandyan yung tao na yan sa buhay mo, hindi ka uunlad. Kasi this person keeps on pulling you back, like, 'di ba? Pulling you down. Now, your focus is what you really want. If there is something or someone that gets in the way, you will have to remove them from your life. That's basic. Kaya lang, maraming tao na nagtitiis because they always use their, they are emotionally driven. They are also powered by their guilt. Na, kasi baka alam mo yun, baka kasi masaktan ko siya. Anong ginagawa niya sa'yo? 'Di ba? Sinasaktan ka niya. Kasi hindi ka niya sinusuportahan. Whoever this person is, pwedeng romantic partner mo, pwedeng family member, this can be anyone. Hindi lahat ng family members are supportive of you. And that's the truth. You may need to, step away from that situation and do your own thing. Kasi the moment that you do that, oh my God, you're unstoppable. Okay? So, let's see what else. Sagittarius. Diba? My shift. Oh my God, this is a powerful shift. 5-5. 5 is about change. It's like breaking the barriers. And 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 is 1. 1 is new beginnings. There's going to be a powerful shift in your life the moment that you break free. The moment na umalis ka sa isang sitwasyon that is limiting you. Okay? Whoa. It's like you're stepping into your own power here, Sagittarius. So, wow. Mm. You are reshaping your life according to what you really want. It's giving me chills. Like, nire-reshape mo yung sarili mo. Okay? It's like, example ha, example. Your shape is like a square. Okay? A square. Ikaw yon. So, example, it symbolizes you as a square. And then, your situation is like a round shape. Okay? So, kahit anong pasok mo dyan, hindi yan magkakasya. Hindi yan papasok. Hindi sila akma. Hindi, hindi siya, basta hindi siya akma. So, now, you are reshaping yourself to something that will fit what you really want. Okay? So, example, your goal is to get into this side. Like, example, your goal is to, let's say, to be successful in your business. But, ano yung requirement to be successful in that business? You have to have the knowledge, the skills, the resources. So, kung wala ka niyan, out of shape ka. 'Di ba? But, if you are going to reshape yourself to the requirement of that success, then definitely you are going to be successful. No doubt about it. Mm-hmm. 'Di ba? So what else do we have, Sag, for February? Wow. Meron kang marireach na status sa buhay. Na parang ikaw ay nag-elevate, nag-level up with the second house here. Wow, Jupiter second house. Second house is your resources, your money, your possessions, your values. So talagang in-upgrade mo ang sarili mo, besh. In-upgrade mo. You have Saturn in Gemini in the third house. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong distraction. 'Di ba? Ayan o, you will have this concentration na kahit sino pang nanggugulo sa inyo, you cannot be bothered. Kasi focus ka sa goal mo. That is the secret to your success, Sagittarius. It doesn't have to be this February. This is like the start of the year for you. 'Di ba? Oh my goodness. Oh, eto nga yun. This summarizes the reading too. Kumbaga, ano sabi? Abandon unsympathetic environments for your true element. Oh, ang labo. So, basta sinasabi rito, iwanan mo raw yung mga sitwasyon, bagay sa buhay mo na hindi sumusuporta sa totoong ikaw. Like sa mga gusto mo sa buhay. You will abandon them. You will leave that situation, that place, for your own peace of mind, for your own goals and dreams to make it happen. Okay, so that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. See you again.